Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs. Today we're going to talk a little bit about our JDM bracket and why you may need it. Let's go. Okay, so what's the problem we're looking to solve? So we've got Sean's JDM plates here for his Aristo, and the holes in the car does line up with the holes in the plate, which is great. But the problem is it touches the boot lid. It's way too low and it's tapping against the paint. So you actually need to go up, which means you need to drill the plate, which he doesn't want to do. So the solution is you can grab one of our JDM plate brackets. The JDM holes line up with the slots there. And from there, you can actually go up as high as you need to mount the plates higher. So it's center and off the plate, off the paint. So I'll show you how to get that done. Okay, installation is real easy. Grab the bolts from the kit. It also comes with the Allen key. Bolts in the hole into the slots, bolts in, and then you adjust the height as you need, and then the plates can go on. So I'll do that now. Okay, now that the plate breaker's on the car, I'm just going to adjust the height and then tighten it. Okay, so I've adjusted the bracket with the help of the little indicators on the bracket there. I've got it level. All that's left now is to put the plate on. There are two options. You can use dress bolts or security screws. The customer has gone with security screws. I am also going to put a little bit of double-sided tape there. It's not to stick it on, it's just to help or prevent any rattling for when you slam the boot. So we're going to get that done now. So that's the JDM plates installed on Sean's Aristo. It's no longer touching the paint, it's nice and center, and we've also used the security screws to stop the thieves from taking your plate. So I hope that helps, and thanks for watching.